Welcome to the training video for the News module in SilverStripe 3. To add a news item, select the News on the main menu. Then you'll see a list of all the existing news items that are currently loaded in the system. To add a new one, select the Add News item at the top. Okay, then you've got an online form that you need to fill in. So enter the heading of your news item. Then pick the date that you want this to show on the website. Okay, you can put dates that are ahead of time, so it won't show until in a week's time. And you can also put previous dates as well if you want. So if you've got something on there that you want it to not show anymore, you can just change the date as well. So when you're adding one for the first time, it's always good to put the day before. This allows you to save it and make sure everything's correct before it goes live. If you have today's date, it will go live straight away as soon as you click create at the bottom. Okay, the next field is date to remove from the website. So this is where you can enter in a date if you want it to automatically expire. Okay, if you leave it blank, then it will just stay on the website permanently. Next one is a tick box if you want it to show on the home page rotation, so where our latest news is. If you tick that, then this news item will show in that rotation. Next one's just a summary. So you just type in a summary of the whole news article. Okay, and this appears on the home rotation and also on the summary news page as well. So just type one in. Okay. The next one is where you select the pages that you want this news item to appear on. Okay, so you should always select latest news, so all news appears on that. And then the next one you want to pick what type, so if it was a media release or a public notice, then you'd select which one it relates to, and it might be more than one. Okay, so the next thing you've got is the type of news that you're adding. Okay, so there's two options here. You can either have an article, which is where you type the whole article in the article box below, or you can select existing, okay, which means you want to just point to an existing page on our website. Okay, so if you want to bring something to people's attention, say it's about a updated bylaw, so you might want to write a summary and then just point. The read more link will go straight to our bylaws page. Okay, so you'd select existing, and then you would just find the page that you want to send them to in our navigation just by selecting from this drop down. Okay, but for this example I'll show you through doing an article. Okay, so in the article here, this is where you would type in the article. Okay, so you can do your normal stuff, make things bold, italics, underlined. You can make things links by selecting it and then selecting the insert link. Okay, and you can follow these. In our adding content training video, you'll be able to see more of how to do links as well. Okay, you can also insert images. Okay, so everything that you can do in our normal content window as well. So please make sure you watch the training video on how to use this content window as well. Okay, the next field we've got is image. Okay, so as you can see here, you can't attach an image to this news article until you've saved it. Okay, so once we're happy with all of that, we're going to go create. Okay, and then you should see this nice green bar at the top that says that it's saved the news item. Okay, so now if we scroll down the bottom, you'll see that we can attach an image. Okay, so you can upload from your computer. Okay, but there might already be an image on the website that you can use, and if there is, then you want to use the from files. Okay, so you're going to find one that is the right one. So we go that one, and you select attach, and you'll see that it's loaded it in there. Okay. If you are uploading from your computer, make sure you do resize them to the right measurements so that you're not uploading a huge file to the website. Right. So just talk to the web developer and he'll tell you what those measurements are for different things. Okay, so once the image is attached, then you want to go save. Okay, so now looking over it all, if we're happy with all of that, okay, then on the date to show on website, we're going to change to today's date, and we're going to save, and that news item now would be live. So you would go to the website. Okay. You go to the news section. Okay, so it wasn't on the home page because we didn't tick to show it on the home page, but there you can see our test news article that we've added, and if we go read more, we would see the article that we typed in as well. Okay, so make sure once you add it, you do go and have a look at the website, read it, make sure it's all correct. Any changes, just go back into the back end, okay, and make any changes that you need to. Okay, so that's how to add a news item. Okay, so if you needed to make changes to any of the news, then you'd click on news again, and you would select the one that you want to edit. So that one that we just created, if we need to make changes, then we'd come over here and select on the edit button, and you've got the same form that you had before. It's just got all the text and images and everything that you typed in. So if we wanted to change this, and we also now want to show it on the home page, then we can just click save. Okay, so you can now see we've made our summary longer, and so that's how you add a news item to the website. Okay, if you still have any problems after watching this training video, just talk to the council's web developer and he'll talk you through any issues. Thank you.